Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add your GoDaddy email to your Gmail. So how to do this? So you need to go to Gmail and you need to click this gear icon on the top right corner, guys. You need to click this gear, then click See All Settings. And it will redirect you to this page. On the top there is a menu. You need to go to accounts and import, which is fourth in the menu, and right here you will see check mail from other accounts. So here is add mail account. You need to click this and you need to enter your GoDaddy email right here and click the next button. So after that you will receive GoDaddy emails on your Gmail. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.